dragon, and someone's riding it. Wait a minute. That's a night fury. All right, Hiccup, what are you up to? Come on, come on.
That was a close one. Nice line, bud. Think we lost her.
Think again, Hiccup.
Astrid, we were just talking about you.
So, I guess this is the part where I ask if your father changed his mind, and you tell me he didn't, and you're going behind his back. Again.
Actually, no. This is the part where I tell you my dad is wrong.
So, he knows.
I didn't say that. Look, you were there on Outcast Island, just like I was. You know what Alvin is capable of.
So, you were just gonna fly around at night all by yourself and say nothing?
That was my plan. I didn't want to get anyone else in trouble. I was trying to do the right thing. Sort of.
We both know what the right thing is, Hiccup. But if we're gonna ride dragons behind your father's back, we all need to ride dragons behind your father's back.
Dragon Flight Club! I like that!